Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to explore Jinja's loop controls. Jinja's for loop is a powerful tool for iterating over sequences and rendering dynamic content. But sometimes you need more control, like skipping certain items or stopping the loop early. That's where the loop controls extension comes in. By enabling this extension, you can use break and continue directly in your templates, just like in Python. Let's start with a basic for loop. Here we have the data we'll pass to the template. It's a list called users, and each user has a name field. Inside the template, we use a for loop to go through every user in the list. For each one, Jinja adds an element and prints the user's name. This lets us dynamically generate content without writing HTML for each user. When the template is rendered, it becomes a simple HTML list. Each name is shown as a list item, making it easy to display any number of users dynamically. Sometimes you don't want to show every single item. The continue statement lets you skip the current one and go straight to the next. In this example, we tell the loop to skip any user with an even index, so only the odd ones get displayed. Here we use a for loop again, but this time we add a condition to control which items appear. If the loop index is even, we call continue, which skips that user and moves straight to the next one without rendering it. The result is that the second and fourth users, Bob and Diana, are skipped. Only Alice and Charlie appear in the final list, showing how continue helps us selectively display items. While continue skips just one item, break stops the entire loop right away. That means no more items will be processed after it. For example, you can use break with loop.index to only show the first few users and ignore the rest. Let's write an example for break. In this loop, we add a simple check. If the loop index is greater than 2, we call break. This immediately stops the loop, and no more users are processed after that point. As a result, the loop ends after the second user. Only Alice and Bob appear in the final list, while Charlie and Diana are skipped because the loop never reaches them. This shows how break can be used to limit how many items displayed. And that's Jinja 2's loop controls. You now know how to use continue to skip an item, break to stop the loop completely, and loop.index to decide when to apply them. These tools let you create efficient and expressive templates, perfect for dynamic content. That's the end of today's topic. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next video.